Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this text reveal edit using the CapCut mobile. So first, you can just prepare the video. So I suggest you add the video like this, the one with someone walking on the camera. Okay, and after that, just write your text. So go to text and add text. Okay, I'm going to just write okay, you can change the style to your liking. I'm going to go with this and change the phone. So put the text in here, for example, and after that click on a check icon, and don't forget to adjust the duration of the text to match with the videos. So now export this project, click on the arrow at the top, and then open it in a new project. Okay, so here I've already imported the exported video in the new project like this. Now what you need to do is add the original video, the one without the text, as overlay. So click on the overlay button and click on add overlay. So as you guys can see here, I've already added the video. Don't forget to adjust the size so it has the same size like this. Now what you need to do is click on the overlay video and go to mask, select the horizontal option, and in here rotate the masking like this into a 90 degrees and drag the masking here before there's a movement from the person in the video. And after that, add a keyframe and let's move forward and move the masking following the movement of the person in the video. Okay, just do it slowly like this until the whole word is fully revealed. Okay, so when you are done with the masking, this will be the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye!